Welcome to Beyond Infinity and our Quick Science series. It is our aim to help you understand the deepest questions and theories in the shortest time possible. The real question is, can your brain handle it? Let's begin. Welcome to our exploration of the mysterious world of string theory, a fascinating framework in theoretical physics promising to unravel the universe's deepest secrets. At its core, string theory suggests that the fundamental particles we observe aren't point-like dots, but tiny, vibrating strings. These strings can create all matter and forces. String theory aims to unify the four fundamental forces of nature: gravity, electromagnetism, strong nuclear and weak nuclear forces, into one comprehensive framework. This theory emerged from attempts to solve inconsistencies between quantum mechanics and general relativity, providing a potential pathway to the elusive theory of everything. String theory proposes the existence of multiple dimensions beyond our familiar 3 dimensions of space, and one of time, possibly up to 11 dimensions. These extra dimensions may be compactified or curled up in such a way that we don't perceive them directly in our everyday experiences. String theory introduces a new particle, the graviton, a hypothetical quantum particle that mediates the force of gravity, potentially revolutionizing our understanding of this fundamental force. One of string theory's remarkable aspects is the concept of supersymmetry, which suggests every particle has a heavier superpartner, a key to solving many theoretical puzzles. Despite its elegance, string theory has faced criticism for lacking experimental evidence. It remains a mathematical framework, yet to make testable predictions. However, the mathematical beauty and consistency of string theory continue to captivate physicists, inspiring new research and developments in the field. String theory's implications extend beyond physics, influencing cosmology, black hole studies, and even offering insights into the universe's origins and potential multiverse. As we continue to probe the depths of string theory, we inch closer to unlocking the ultimate secrets of the cosmos, challenging our perceptions and expanding our horizons. Hope you enjoyed our quick science video. Here at Beyond Infinity, we are looking for the brightest minds. Join our community if you think this is you.